Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'd like to show you those that haven't seen our fantastic body oils. We launched them earlier this year in February at the Excel show. We've got 5 beautiful natural earthy aromas in 5 different flavours. All are sweet almond oil based. We've got our rejuvenate, detox, uplifting, indulgent and relaxing massage oils. They are very rich in aroma because the oils themselves have been cold pressed, so we do get the fullest quality of the oil in here. These are the bottles that are inside the boxes, and I've just got the little sample oil here, and they do go into the skin beautifully. If you like a body oil, I personally have dry skin, I love a body oil, and they're so rich in aroma, and it's that lasting aroma. So they're really hydrating for the skin. They're perfect to use in the salon, or you can use them at home after you've had a lovely hot bath to put these oils on. They're quite beautiful to use. So have a look at our website, everything is on there for you.